Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here today to show you some Happymail, and I made some embellishments, and it's an open collaboration hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Raina from Lilo Crafts. I make sure to link those channels down below. And you just make embellishments on Wednesday and you use the hashtag embellish with us Wednesday, and it's an open collaboration. So let me show you the Happymail I got from Sweet Marianne's Craft Corner. Like I said, I will link her channel down below. This was completely unexpected, and I did open it because I didn't recognize the name on it. So I'm going to show you what was sent to me. I got this sweet card, and it says, "Here's a little gift from your friend Marianne. Hope you like it. Mel." Love Mel. It came from Melissa Soki. Hope I didn't butcher that. So I don't know what to say, to be honest. It was beautiful. It was wrapped up in this styrofoam. I did unwrap it because I did not see the card in it at first. So yeah, so actually we'll put the card here because I think that's a beautiful card. So I'm going to show you what's in here. Look at this. Pamela's Creations. I have never received anything like this before. This is amazing, and it's beautiful, and I was extremely grateful, and it has my colors. I mean, this was super sweet. I just couldn't believe it. I absolutely adore it. And it even has the little thing up here, Pamela's Creations. Honestly, she made my day. It's beautiful. And I love how sturdy it is. It's just gorgeous. So please go check out Marianne. She is extremely talented. She does all types of paper crafts, embellishments and things like that, hauls. So please go check her out. Like I said, extremely talented lady. So yeah, I love this. This is beautiful. Thank you, Marianne, so much for this. This truly made my day, and I want to thank you for thinking of me. That is super sweet. So we're going to leave that there so we can stare at it because I love it so much. Okay, so on with the embellishments. All right, everyone. So I made some embellishments last week. I was going to show them last week, but I had to go out of town, and so I thought I'd show them on Embellish with Us Wednesday. So I took these bottle caps, and I put like a sunflower maybe, and a button ladybug that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got these from Hobby Lobby too. Not the bottle caps. I got those from Amazon. I snapped off the button piece, and I added it there. So I made this one, and then this one here. I added the flower that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the bee is a bee button. Made that one. This one's white, and I made this one, the ladybug. And then I took some lace that I had, added the butterfly in the bow, and I made that one. And then another ladybug. I like the lace ones too. They're so pretty. Butterfly. And then this one. This one has a bow, like a bow flower, and it has the butterfly, and then I added the bow thing on there. So those are my embellishments, which I plan on making more because they were a lot of fun to make. I just used my hot glue gun. I'll be making different styles, so when there's challenges or something, I can use these, or I can use them in some kind of design. And so yeah, I love these bottle caps. I thought these were a cute idea, and so there you go. Make sure you follow Mary Ann and Raina from Lilo Crafts and see what they have made. And if you follow the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday, you'll be able to see everybody else's creations. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, bye.